I'm Kyle Dodson, a finalist in the Wall Rising Star 2023, also the winner, Achiever of the Year, Fellowship Project Men 2023. Today we're here in Barnsley at Beasley's Beards and Barnets, and we're going to be looking at Captain Fawcett's Clay Pomade. So Captain Fawcett's Clay Pomade is a matte finish, no shine, strong hold, and I like to use this in shorter length hair just to add that definition and texture. I like to rub this to the root to create a little bit of volume as well. Also, the fragrance on this product, I mean, it's amazing. Every time I use this on a client, they're asking, what is it, what is it? It's a nice, sharp, woody fragrance with a little bit of citrus. So the hairstyles I like to use this with is shorter length hair, which a little bit more choppy, a little bit of disconnection. I like to use this more towards the back and to the front because I don't want it to be too heavy on the front. Most hairstyles I like to use this with is crop cuts, mullets, any hairstyles with disconnection. You can really rub that clay pomade through and create that separation and make more of a creative look. The benefits of the Captain Fawcett's matte clay pomade is it's very reworkable, and it's also got a strong hold as well, so it's not going to lie flat during the day. You can rework this, and also it's a water-based product, so it can wash out the hair pretty easily. So I like to apply this matte clay pomade by taking out just a little bit on the back of my thumb, rubbing it into my hands, melting it down and applying it to dry hair. When I do this, I can also take a wide tooth comb, run it through to create a lot of separation and texture. But alternatively, I like to use it on damp hair. This allows me to work it through damp hair if it's like curly and set it into style and use a diffuser. When I'm using a diffuser this way, it allows the clay pomade to melt into the hair and I won't have to rework it or retouch it after it's dry. My tips and tricks with the clay pomade, due to its very nature, it can dry out sometimes. So all I do to combat this is give it a couple of spritz in my water bottle, leave it for a minute or so, and that'll make it more malleable to work with.